Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Now in today's video I am going to show you how you can buy USDT using OKX. OKX is one of the biggest exchanges out there with a very big volume every single day. But guys, for you to start, down below, if you want to get an account for yourself, down below I will leave a link for you to register with me. Now, it's very important for you to do two things, okay? This is the main page. When you get here, this is the main page. And then you will need to do two things. Very, very important is to add more security. So we go to your profile and click on security. And from here, you will, I haven't still added the Authenticator app. So Google Authenticator, or I've got another one which is let me just give you, it's called Authy. Also it's cool because it has a password and it's easier to set up. Then a second factor authentication that I've set up, and also eventually an anti-phishing code that you can also set up, and obviously a login password that you're going to set up. You need to register with your phone number and the password, then a mobile verification through your mobile phone, an email verification also, and basically this is it, guys, from this part. Then you go back to profile, click on verification, and you need to obviously add your name, at least your first and last name. You need to also add your ID numbers from your ID card, okay? And then some more personal info for you to get more higher limits, okay? Some more personal info in here. I'm already verified in both of them. And also you need to take an ID photo and some more investment info, and you will get fully verified and with a much larger availability to buy crypto and make your withdrawals and all of that, okay? So going back to the overview on the profile, goes directly to the main page where you land. Now, how you can buy your USDT, okay? There are two places where you can go to do that. You can go scroll down if you click on Buy Crypto, or on the top, as you can see here, Buy Crypto, and we have three options. You can buy with your card, so debit card or credit card, with P2P, which means peer-to-peer trading, and the third-party payments. I will go through the peer-to-peer. So these are people that have some funds here, and you can buy these amounts that they have for you between those amounts, and using different payment methods. Imagine Revolut for this guy, bank transfer, SEPA, Wise, bank transfer, Revolut, and basically Wise, Advanced Cash, also Payoneer. So they give you different options. And obviously they also will give you different amounts that you can buy from, and obviously this will have some more advantages or not. You need to make your own choices, okay? No financial advisor, guys. Do your choices, okay? And then the other one is the third-party payment, and I was going through these details, guys, and I still believe that if you want a very fast transaction and with less fees, I believe that even though the best option is to pay with your debit or credit card. So this is different options, okay? We have Simplex, banks, MoonPay, Advanced Cash, and for this you need to insert different amounts because they allow different. Each one of them allows different amounts. Imagine I put 90 for Simplex. I think it's 30. Banks, wait, 30. Oh, sorry, guys. With 30. And Simplex works with 30. Banks only works with 50 and above, and MoonPay only with 90 and above. I believe Simplex is from 12 to 15,000 euros. So this is your choice, guys. You see if there's any advantage in terms of the fees that they cover. I'm going through buy with cards, and I've already set up all that my details for the card. already. You need to insert the amount that you want to buy. Okay, I will buy 30 euros. So this should be the amount that I get, but with the fees it's going to be a little less. So you click Buy USDT. Then I already inserted my details for my MasterCard, okay, and go through that, okay. When you go here, if you want to buy through your debit or credit card, so this probably is going to be, I believe, the amount that I'm going to get, 30.71 USDT, and click on next. This is the summary. You confirm order, okay, and you need to click here that the buy with card service is powered by OKX. So you need to insert, and this is the amount that you will get, €1, 0.95 USDT. And the fee is going to be 0.59 USDT. You click on refresh again because it gives you a few seconds. You click there, and then you are going to be directed to another page, ID check. And now I need to go to my app on my cell phone and confirm the payment. And only after I confirm the payment, I can go here and say that I have authorized and that I can continue. So just give me a few seconds here again, just to shut the video for a second. So I've authorized the transaction on my cell phone, and I believe that it's done already. And okay, processing. Please wait. So you have been released your funding accounts, view assets. So guys, as you can see, pretty fast to do this with the bank, with your, in my case, my debit card. And no, let me see. So buy USDT, 30 USDT, and now I will go here to my assets. Okay, and click on my assets, and I will see the USDT in here. Okay, as you can see, guys, 30.7 USDT already. Now, awesome. See, guys, how simple is this? If you believe that this video was helpful, don't forget to give that like. It's gonna help a lot the channel. Subscribe also, and leave your comments below. And I hope that you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you on the next one.